Welcome back to another video. Today we have the Powerbuilt PB heavy duty rolling seat. This is model number 240036. Built distributors and returns, Reno, Nevada, made in Taiwan. Guys, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, my subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. It came out in a deal. One of the videos that I posted, this came out on sale. I bought this at the Costco.com. All right, first thing out of the box, we do have the casters and some sort of base. These are nice rubber casters. These are nice, actually. They do have locks in them, so you guys are able to lock the casters right here, and two of them are lockable. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off. All right, we got the base here. Seems like this is where you sit. And then you got a drawer, which just fell off. This is a drawer that goes inside. We're gonna leave this out for now. More pieces here, and another drawer, and then another drawer for the other side. So basically what you do is you line up the holes, very simple. All right, looks like we have some nuts and then some few bolts. You got a washer that goes on the bottom and a washer that goes on the top, and then you put the lock nut in there. Looks pretty nice, actually. I really like the wheels, the rubber wheels on it. 300 pounds, do not exceed capacity. Failure to use these warnings will result in serious injury or death. It says do not stand on seat. Sit on seat center to prevent accidental tipping or loss of balance. Check proper seat and casters installation before use. Periodically, lubricate all moving parts. Check all screws, nuts, bolts frequently to make sure they are tight. Avoid accidental tipping during usage. Only use smooth level surfaces off the roller seat, and anything other than hard level surfaces will affect roller seat stability and may result in personal injury. The drawer that goes in here, it's pretty nice. It actually locks it, so these are the drawers, so you can put your beer or your second beer there. A couple of screwdrivers in there, and then maybe some tools. All right, so this goes in there like that. It's pretty much sits in there like so. And the other one. All right, so this one sits here too. And you're ready to roll. And this is plastic, by the way. The seat is plastic. It's not soft compound. I thought it was gonna be some sort of soft compound, but I guess you can put something soft in there. Here it's about 15 inches. Center is about 14, yeah, 26 I would say. Casters are about they're 4-inch casters. At the base, I would say it's about 12 and a half, 10 and a quarter. So there you go, guys, that's it. I'm gonna go ahead and sit on it and see what it does, see if it breaks. Obviously we're not smaller, we are towards the larger person. So we'll go ahead and sit on it and see if it passes, if it rolls or if it doesn't roll. One thing to note, it does have some handles on the bottom of the seat. Seems nice. Obviously, because of the seat is not cushioned. It's not a Cadillac, but it does work. Put some spray bottles, some screwdrivers on the sides. Let us know down in the comment section, what do you guys think about this roller seat? I wanted to get a green one that Costco used to have about a few years back, but I never got it, so I got this. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.